Hey everyone, I'm Josh with Overland AZ. I have a 2006 Land Rover LR3, and I've been running a Lensun 110 watt solar panel on it for the last 2 years now. Absolutely love it. I'm using their base MPPT charger directly into my house battery. Keeps my fridge running, keeps my lights on. I know that overnight I'm gonna be pulling some power from that battery, and the next day I'm gonna recharge and be good to go for the long haul. So we're able to go out for extended trips in that vehicle and just know the battery's gonna keep us going, keep our food cold, and keep my family happy.
Awesome. And where can we find you?
I'm on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, all at overland_AZ.
Awesome. And what is the thing you like most about your Lensun panel?
I think honestly the best thing is it's a complete kit. So I have other solar setups on other vehicles and builds that I have that I've pieced together previously, and you have to piece together that system and build something that's gonna work. The Lensun system it's the panel, it's the charge controller, it's all the wiring, it's everything you need for the installation. And so whether you're new and just getting into this and trying to figure everything out, or you're just trying to build an extra vehicle like what I was doing, it's just a great option for that. It's very simple to set up.
Well, thank you for your time.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you.